Argparse. Identify which subparser was used. I think this must be easy, but I do not get it. Assume I have the following argparse parser. How can I identify which subparser was used? Calling. Gives me an empty namespace.
Edit, please see Cornian's answer to this question, which is better than mine and should be the accepted answer. According to the argparse documentation, the result of parser.parse_args ... will only contain attributes for the main parser and the subparser that was selected. Unfortunately, this may not be enough information to determine which subparser was used. The documentation recommends using the set_defaults ... method on the subparser to solve this problem. For example, I've added calls to set_defaults to your code. Now if you run, the result is. Check out the add_subparsers documentation for more information and another example.
A simpler solution is to add dest to the add_subparsers call. This is buried a bit further down in the documentation. If it is necessary to check the name of the subparser that was invoked, the dest keyword argument to the add_subparsers call will work. In your example, replace with Now if you run, you will get